Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Libra, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for October 1 to 15, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, let's see Libra, what's up? 10 of Wands. You've been doing a lot of work. Siguro ito yung meron ka mga dinelay na gawin ng mga nakaraang buwan. Tapos ngayong October, naipon. Na kailangan mong gawin. Mga pinagpaliban mong gawin. You have the 4 of Pentacles. This is financial stability. Financial security. You have the 6 of Wands. Ooh. That is success. Oo. I feel like there's a lot of work for you. Maraming kailangan trabahuhin. Lalo na kung ito'y related sa trabaho mo, sa career, sa business. Pero ito ay worth it. Ito yung tipong napagod ka, pero may napala ka naman, di ba? Oo. Meron tong magandang resulta. Oo. Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong contest na sasalihan, pwedeng sarili nyo lang or grupo, mananalo kayo ngayong October. Let's see, what is the 10 of Wands? The Star. I love this. This is about your hopes and dreams. I think you are driven, no? Malakas yung iyong determinasyon ngayon because you have a lot to achieve. Marami kang goals sa buhay mo na gusto mong ma-achieve. So, para sa'yo, ano man tong mga kailangan mong trabahuhin, mga responsibilities, kayang-kaya mo. And then, what is the 4 of Pentacles? The Moon. I feel like you're very protective of your family, of your loved ones. This is giving financial security to your family. Yun yung priority mo. Yung iba sa inyo maaring meron kayong aayusin sa bahay para mas maging safe and protected kayo. Pwede maglalagay kayo ng CCTV or mga extra lock or magpapalagay kayo ng bakod. Anything that will protect your home, your family. Pwede rin naman tong insurance for protection. What is the 6 of Wands? The Queen of Wands. Yes. You are very creative, Libra. Marami kang mga talents and skills na hindi mo pa na-share sa iba na ngayong October first half, you're going to share your talents, your skills, and you will be recognized by a lot of people. Some of you may be entering a business. Itong business na to, related ito sa iyong mga talento or creative ideas. And this will bring you success. Recognition. Dito sa area na you will be working with. So, some money, assets, meron kang investment. Pwedeng stock market, crypto, or mga mutual funds. Pwede ring, like what I mentioned kanina, meron ditong insurance. Nag-grow yung mga investments mo. See, and I feel like you are investing on your skills. Meron ka pang mga aaralin, mga bagong bagay na interesado ka, bagong kaalaman na kung saan doon ka mas magiging very successful because you are expert on that field. Yung ba sa inyo nasa technical side, nasa technology? Mag-ingat lang sa mga taong magsasabotahe sa'yo sa trabaho. Okay? Mga unprofessional, lalo na yung mga merong crab mentality dyan, na kapag nakikita nilang umaangat ka, they will try to pull you down or bring you down. So, just be careful sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo. And if you are planning something, just keep it to yourself muna. Wag mo muna ipagsabi yung mga plano mo, yung mga gusto mong gawin. Sabihin mo na lang kapag tapos na. Okay? You have the death card. So this is transformation, endings, and new beginnings. You may be ending a career kasi meron kang gustong simulan na bago. You have the 8 of Wands. Some of you, marami kayong offers na nakukuha sa ibang company or sa mga in-applyan nyo before, or pwedeng may exchange of communication with the people na gusto kang makatrabaho or makabusiness. 8 of Swords. I feel like matagal mo na tong tinatanggihan or iniiwasan. But I think ngayong first half ng October, you will give it a try. Oo, susubukan mo na to kasi maaring nasa posisyon ka na ngayon na you feel na ang isang cycle or isang chapter sa buhay mo ay natatapos na because of the environment nung career, trabaho, or business na yon, that you feel like hindi na nag-grow. So now you are looking for other opportunities. Kumbaga where the grass is greener. Diba? Let's see. Sa love naman. For love. Expression. Secrets. Soulmate. Ooh. Baka merong pwedeng meron kayong secret admirer. Yes. Or ikaw meron kang ina-admire secretly. It seems that this may be a soulmate connection for some of you. Especially kung it's much easier, mas madali para sa'yo na na mag-connect sa taong to. It seems like you enjoy talking to this person. Ooh, okay. Okay. Page of Cups. I'm sensing some sort of obsession. So, medyo mag-ingat lang sa ganitong klaseng connection kasi there might be someone na maging obsessed sa connection na to, na tipong pwedeng maging inconvenience sa relationship, or this may lead to a toxic relationship. Minsan kasi 'di ba, we fall in love sa isang tao, and then dahil sobrang taas ng emotions, we become obsessed doon sa tao na yon. So, take it easy, okay? And then, just, kilalanin mo muna tong taong to. Nang malalim. Kasi, pwedeng itong taong to meron tong mga itinatago sa'yo, or not actually tinatago, or pwedeng meron ka pang hindi alam sa tao na to na kailangan mong malaman. And, kumbaga, pay attention to your emotions. So, masyadong, buong lugod. Okay? Hinay-hinay lang. You can make it through. Your higher self is always guiding you. What wisdom does your higher self have for you? Yes, so I think this is something na related sa iyong career, sa trabaho, sa business mo, na nagbabago. So, you can make it through. You can make it through the changes. Kayang-kaya mo napagdaanan or mapagtagumpayan yung mga challenges ng pagbabago na to sa iyong trabaho and career. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, nakaresonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.